How to Make Money on Pocket Option 2024. By trading commodities like binary options, stocks, metals, forex, and other instruments, you can profit from pocket option. Partnership programs, copy trading, competitions, and trading with leverage while utilizing cutting-edge risk management techniques are additional ways to make money on pocket option. With the many investment options and platforms available in the financial market, investors might find it daunting to pick the best. There are instruments for long and short-term investment, but when you consider forex and binary options trading, short-term investment becomes paramount. Pocket Option is a top legal binary broker that offers users investment opportunities in forex, stocks, etc. So, if you seek how to make money on Pocket Option, this video is for you. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive in. Registering with the Pocket Option is the first and most important step that brings you closer to making money on the platform. Verify your account to guarantee a flawless experience, especially during deposits and withdrawals. So, if your account is set, this is the ideal time to learn how to make money on the Pocket Option platform. The following are some best ways to make money on Pocket Option. 1. Forex trading. Forex trading has made many individuals who were persistent, consistent, and used top trading strategies rich. It is one of the solutions that professionals suggest to people who want to learn how to make money out of the Pocket Option. The goal of trading Forex is to buy lower and sell higher by buying and selling currency pairs. This is a popular choice because of the low investment minimums, but the risks of trading currency pairs must not be overlooked. Trading Forex on a Pocket Option is beneficial for both seasoned and novice traders due to the platform's abundance of trading features. Users can profit from Pocket Option's relatively user-friendly interface, a practice account, cutting-edge trading tools, an intuitive platform, a wide selection of currency pairs, competitive leverage options, and educational materials to improve trading abilities. 2. Copy experienced traders. Another way to make money on the Pocket Option platform is through a copy trading system. Copy trading is the practice of replicating professional traders' trading strategies, and it can be a more profitable approach to trading stocks and forex. The Pocket Option platform supports this feature, and to start copy trades on Pocket Option, you have to have an account with the broker. Additionally, consider the traders' reputations before copying their trades. The more followers a trader has, the more reliable they are. Verify the trader's risk score, quantity of trades, and consistency of returns. Traders with lower risk scores tend to be more consistent and less likely to make riskier trades. Examine the trader's current open trades to determine their strategy, degree of risk, maximum drawdown, and profitable trades. A trader with a high winning trade percentage and a low drawdown is considered reliable. 3. Investing in stocks. Stock investing is another renowned option for those seeking how to make money on Pocket Option. Investing in stocks allows you to profit from dividends and growth in exchange rates. With just a $50 initial deposit, traders can start trading with Pocket Option. In addition, traders can trade autonomously and replicate the strategies of profitable traders on Pocket Option by utilizing the social trading platform. Prioritize learning about and keeping up with the market trend over focusing on the best stocks to buy. Without a basic understanding of each company you might want to buy shares of, investing in stocks will probably be risky. If you want to make money on the Pocket Option platform, invest a lot of time and energy into researching companies. Avoid stocks that are selling off quickly and instead invest in stocks that top institutional buyers purchase in large quantities. 4. Affiliate program. One non-trading method of making money on Pocket Option is through affiliate programs. An individual receives a special code, affiliate link, upon signing up to become an affiliate for Pocket Option. This affiliate link will be used to track referrals, so if someone registers using it and purchases anything, the referring affiliate will get paid. In other words, You can profit from advertising pocket option services to individuals who will become investors on the platform. Note: affiliate marketing is best for individuals who have a social online presence since they will need platforms people visit to place these ads. 5. Promotions and contests. Participating in tournaments is another popular way to make money on pocket option. Because of its low-risk nature, this option is perfect for people looking for ways to make money on the side. Participants in the tournament do not use money from their actual account balance because trading occurs on a virtual balance. The winner is the trader who makes the biggest profit. The top 3 finishers typically receive cash prizes, depending on the tournament's settings. You can begin choosing a tournament to enter after completing all prerequisite steps, such as registering, installing trading platforms, and making your first dollar deposit. 6. Bonuses. Bonuses are awarded to new traders who complete the account registration and verification process. In addition to the many benefits the broker offers its customers, traders who open a real account with Pocket Option receive a 50% welcome bonus. Both new and experienced traders can take advantage of special offers. Once you have the bonus, which is awarded instantly upon deposit, you can start trading with it. Profits made trading with the bonuses can be withdrawn if you meet and satisfy the rule of engagement set by the broker. Hope you enjoy the video. This is NorBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.